Hi, I'm David Kerr and I'm the CEO of Bird & Bird.
And I'm Massimiliano, or Massi Mostardini, and I am the chairman of the board of the firm.
We'd like to wish you a very warm welcome to Bird & Bird. We're delighted that you've chosen to join us for the next exciting chapter in your career. You've joined us at a great time. Our teams around the world are working with our fantastic clients on some of the most cutting-edge legal challenges out there. That means there's a great opportunity for you to play your part in realising our vision of being the #1 firm in the world, acting for companies being changed by technology or the digital world. You'll find that our one firm culture and approach means that you'll get to work with diverse and talented teams of people across the globe, all keen to share and work together to achieve exceptional results for our clients. We do this by working in collaboration with them and with each other to bring our industry expertise to our clients in a way that works for them and which resolves their greatest challenges.
Of course, no one of our achievements would be possible without the talented people who work at Bird & Bird. And we are committed to supporting you throughout your career. Whatever your role, we offer training and development opportunities through a broad range of learning channels. So keep an eye out for more information. You will find that we have an inclusive culture which offers an environment where everyone can be themselves, succeed and thrive. Our clients tell us our personal chemistry sets us apart, and the bonds you will form here will be long-lasting. Join Bird & Bird truly means joining a community for life. Please take this time to find out all that you can about our firm and be curious, ask questions, and don't hesitate to share your expertise and experience.
We look forward to seeing you around the firm and wish you all the very best in your career with Bird & Bird.